Hello from Slovenia again. Today is another recycling video, or how can I say? I just finished one of my pours and I will scrape off the paint that was on the table from the drip offs, and I didn't use all the paint in my split cup, so some paint is still left in the split cup and I will flip this on and I leave it for, I will say, good 5 minutes to drip off. I speed up this process because it would be probably too boring just to watch this mess on the table and the flipped split cup on the canvas. But when I lift it, I wasn't sure if I will be able to do something with it. But when I stretch it and use some palette knife to add some lines, I ended up with a cool painting, little painting. It's not always a masterpiece, I just wanted to show you that you don't need to waste all this paint on the table, and if you have some left in the split cup that you didn't use, I got some ideas because I want to try, I don't know, because the paints are split because of the split cup. I kind of get some ideas from this, so that's why it's always fun to try something. And when you have the leftovers or scrape offs or something, it's always good time to experiment. So yeah, this is my video for today. Check the final dried results. It's beautiful because this turquoise color really shimmers nicely when it's dry, and hopefully you will get some ideas to use scrape off and leftover paints. So here she is dry, and I really like that. Here is the shimmer of metallic cobalt blue. It's beautiful. I like this sky kind of part. I really do. And the composition, I'm happy with it. And you know, it was just using up a tiny bit of color and my scrape offs. So yeah, can definitely create something nice out of this leftovers and scrape offs too. So I'm happy. Yeah. So thanks for being here, and see you again on the next one. Bye.